Let's get real for a second. You walk into the pharmacy and it's a jungle. You see labels shouting energy, longevity, immune boost. You think, hey, I'm over 60, I need all of that. So you grab a bottle, maybe two. You take them home feeling responsible. But here's the scary truth nobody puts on the label. You might be poisoning yourself. I'm not trying to scare you just for clicks. I'm serious. The statistics are terrifying. Most seniors are starving for the right nutrients while simultaneously overdosing on the wrong ones. It's a silent epidemic. You're trying to fix a creaky knee or a foggy brain, but instead you might be stressing your heart or wrecking your liver. Today, we are cleaning out your medicine cabinet. We're tossing 4 supplements that are dangerous after 60, and we are replacing them with the 4 powerhouses you actually need to stay independent. Let's start with the do not touch list. Number 4, vitamin E. People think vitamin E is the fountain of youth. It's an antioxidant, right? It fights rust in the body. But here's the kicker. High-dose synthetic vitamin E can actually cause the rust. Studies have shown it increases the risk of heart failure and prostate cancer. It also thins your blood. If you're on blood thinners and you take this, you're asking for a bleed. Toss the pills. Eat a handful of almonds instead. Safe, delicious, done. Number 3, vitamin A, retinol. You want good eyes, I get it, but high doses of vitamin A in the retinol form accumulate in your liver. It doesn't flush out, it sits there. Worse, it interferes with vitamin D and actually makes your bones brittle. You take it to stay strong and you end up with a hip fracture. It's tragic. Stick to beta-carotene found in carrots and sweet potatoes. Your body only converts what it needs. It's fail-safe. Number 2, iron. Unless your doctor looked at a blood test and said you have anemia, put the iron down. Iron is a heavy metal. In your later years, your body stops getting rid of excess iron efficiently. It stores it in your heart and brain. It essentially rusts your organs from the inside out. It causes inflammation, which is the root of almost every age-related disease. Do not self-prescribe this. Number 1, vitamin B6. This one is sneaky. It's in every energy complex, but your body needs a tiny amount. When you take megadoses, it becomes toxic to your nerves. It causes neuropathy, numbness and tingling in your hands and feet. It destroys your balance. You take it to feel energetic and you end up unable to walk straight. Okay, take a breath. That was the bad news. Now let's fix it. Here is what your body is actually screaming for. Must-have number 4, vitamin D3. The sunshine vitamin. But be honest, minutes a day at noon? Probably not. And even if you are, older skin isn't as good at making vitamin D anymore. Low levels are linked to dementia, depression, and weak immune systems. You need D3 to absorb calcium. Without it, you're just passing expensive urine. Number 3, vitamin B12. This is non-negotiable. As we age, our stomach acid gets weaker. We can't pull B12 out of steak and eggs like we used to, and you need B12 for your brain to work. If you're forgetting names or feeling wobbly, it might not be aging, it might just be low B12. Get a dissolvable tablet that goes under your tongue. It goes straight to the blood, bypassing the stomach. It's like a reboot for your brain. Number 2, vitamin K2. Nobody talks about this one, and it's a crime. Think of vitamin K2 as a traffic cop. You take calcium for your bones, right? Well, without K2, that calcium it ends up clogging your arteries instead of strengthening your hips. K2 grabs that calcium and says, hey, go to the bone, not the heart. It keeps your skeleton hard and your arteries soft. And finally, must-have number 1, magnesium. This is the master switch. It controls over 300 body functions. Most importantly, it relaxes you. If you have leg cramps at night, heart palpitations, or insomnia, you are likely low on magnesium. Our soil is depleted, so veggies aren't enough anymore. A simple magnesium supplement can change your life overnight. Better sleep, calmer heart, better mood. Look, aging isn't about fading away. It's about maintenance, but you have to use the right tools. Don't guess with your health. Check your labels today. Which one of these are you taking right now? Let me know in the comments. I actually read them. Hit like if this was helpful and subscribe so we can keep you healthy and happy. See you in the next one.